Welcome to the Startup Grind. We're in the house that Larry and Sergey built. I wondered if you could tell us about the first time that you met them. Where was it? You know, at what stage were they at? Tell us about them when it was.
It was a long time ago. It's actually a very funny story. I met Larry and Sergey when they were in the computer science department at Stanford. And I met them, and search wasn't considered that important, but I thought what they were doing was really, really important. I was on the board of a search company called Excite. And I talked to Larry and Sergey about joining Excite and doing their work there, and they had the Google engine going. And they said, well, we'll sell this to Excite. And I went back to Excite and I said, hey, got this great opportunity to buy Google.
Had they heard of them? Never heard of them.
They'd not heard of them, but they heard about it from me enough times. I actually, and there's some disagreement on the price, so I went back to Larry and Sergey trying to agree on a price. I think they agreed to $100,000. Sergey now claims it was $1 million, but I know it wasn't. So I'd be happy to buy Google for $1 million. But Excite didn't want to buy it. And I went back and forth about 5 times. Till Excite said, we're done, we definitely don't want to buy it. And that was my first real exposure to Larry and Sergey. The good news is, if we had in fact had Excite buy Google, and I was at Kleiner Perkins, wouldn't have invested in Google.
That's right.
And it turned out good for us and for Google. Not so good for Excite. In fact, Joe Kraus, the founder of Excite, then started a company that Google bought, so he now works at Google.